Tatsoi chard, also known as Japanese mustard, or simply tatsoi, is one of those green gems that, although still little known in many parts of the world, is quickly winning over the palate and attention of chefs and healthy food lovers. Today, I invite you to discover the history, uses, and benefits of this fascinating vegetable, whose ancient origin and nutritional properties have made it an emerging star in international kitchens. Let's start with its origin. Tatsoi belongs to the large family of cruciferous vegetables, the same family that has given us popular foods like broccoli, kale, and cauliflower. However, tatsoi is distinguished by its rounded leaves, a deep and bright green, which grow forming a low and compact rosette, almost at ground level. This plant has its roots in the Asian continent, specifically in China and Japan, where its cultivation and consumption date back centuries. For generations, tatsoi was valued not only for its flavor and texture, but also for its medicinal qualities and its ability to enrich the daily diet of families in those regions. Over time, tatsoi spread throughout Asia, finding its place on the tables of various cultures and, more recently, in the markets and urban gardens of Europe and America. Currently, tatsoi is experiencing a gastronomic renaissance. Its ability to adapt to different preparations has made it a highly valued ingredient, both in haute cuisine and home cooking. But what makes tatsoi so special in the kitchen? The answer lies in the texture and flavor of its leaves. When fresh and tender, tatsoi leaves are perfect for salads, offering a mild and slightly sweet nuance that resembles the taste of spinach, but with a more delicate touch and less bitterness than other cruciferous vegetables. At the same time, its crunchy structure allows it to remain firm, even when mixed with dressings or vinaigrettes. But the versatility of tatsoi goes far beyond salads. In soups, its leaves provide a vibrant color and a pleasant texture, while in stir-fries and stews, they withstand heat well, softening and absorbing the flavors and aromas of the other ingredients. That is why it is common to find tatsoi in curry, wok, and wrap recipes, and even as a base for main dishes in contemporary menus. Chefs love it because it allows them to reinvent classic dishes, adding a fresh and healthy touch, and cooking enthusiasts choose it because it is easy to prepare and pairs well with almost everything. Beyond its flavor and versatility, tatsoi is a true nutritional treasure. The latest research and nutritionists' recommendations agree in highlighting the contribution of vitamins and minerals that this leafy green offers. Tatsoi is especially rich in vitamin A, essential for vision health and the immune system. Vitamin C, which strengthens the body's defenses and helps with iron absorption. And vitamin K, fundamental for blood clotting and bone health. Additionally, it contains minerals such as calcium, important for bones and teeth, and iron, which helps prevent anemia and provides energy. A relevant aspect of tatsoi is its high content of antioxidants, compounds that help combat cellular damage caused by free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. This makes tatsoi an ally in the prevention of chronic diseases and the maintenance of healthy, youthful skin. As if that were not enough, its dietary fiber content contributes to good digestion by regulating intestinal transit and promoting a feeling of fullness, making it ideal for those looking to manage their weight or improve their digestive health. If after hearing all this you have become curious about trying tatsoi, I have a very special recommendation. In Madrid, at 5 Campomanes Street, there is Cantina 33, a place where freshness, flavor, and creativity come together in every dish. There, Chef Sonny Montero has managed to fuse the best of Venezuelan and international cuisine, incorporating fresh ingredients like Tatsoi into a variety of surprising dishes. From vibrant salads, where Tatsoi is mixed with fruits, nuts, and special dressings, to main courses that combine techniques and flavors from different cultures. Every bite is an invitation to enjoy and discover new ways to eat healthily and deliciously. At Cantina 33, Tatsoi is not just another ingredient, but the protagonist of a culinary experience that embraces natural, local, and innovative elements. The cozy atmosphere, attention to detail, and passion for good food make this place a must-visit for those looking to be surprised by new flavors and take care of their well-being. So the next time you visit your favorite market or are thinking about a restaurant to enjoy unique dishes, remember the name, Tatsoi Chard. Incorporate this green leaf into your daily recipes, or be surprised by the creations of Chef Sonny Montero at Cantina 33. You will discover that eating healthy and tasty is possible, and that ingredients like Tatsoi can transform the way you see cooking. Don't forget that every food choice is an opportunity to take care of yourself and your loved ones. Dare to explore new ingredients. Always seek quality, and don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. If you enjoyed learning more about Tatsoi Chard, I encourage you to share this content with your friends and family. Like it, and follow us to discover more secrets of healthy and innovative gastronomy. Remember, at Cantina 33, we are waiting for you with open arms and a table full of flavor, joy, and well-being. Until next time.